Stop eating bitter melon. What? Why? Because by eating bitter melon every day, your blood sugar will improve. Because bitter melon contains insulin-like compounds that help lower blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes and can help them manage their blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that some compounds in bitter melon may have anti-cancer effects, helping to prevent or slow the development of certain cancers. These compounds inhibit the growth of cancer cells, promote tumor cell apoptosis, and prevent the metastasis and spread of cancer. But that's not all. You will reduce the occurrence of constipation and indigestion. Bitter melon is a good source of dietary fiber that helps promote the normal function of the digestive system. In addition, bitter melon is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, which help fight free radical damage, reduce oxidative stress, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Bitter melon is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which help protect heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Share with someone who need it and drop a "Yes, I will try it." Now tell me, from which country do you watching this video? Leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.